I just remembered that I have these permanent browning stains here from, well, scorching marks really. Let's see what happens. Where can I prop the camera? Come on, paste, impress me. Don't let me down. Don't let my stove down. I'm not sure I'm supposed to be using this on the stove. Am I getting scratches? I can't be sure. But you know what? That's so ugly. I'm not sure I care at this point. I'd rather scratches than gross brown stuff. Alright, one thing about me, I do love to perform tests, and often at the cost of my own things, but yeah. We'll just call that part of my charm, right? Okay, so that yellow is definitely gone, and the brown is now just silver underneath here, but right here I can still see a little black. Of course, I haven't really rubbed in there. So what I'm going to do is get another part of cloth and swoop. So you can see I still got a full tube. Okay. Let's see if I can get that angle right there where that is. It's like right up there in that cubby. You know, I'm starting to learn more and more about myself, and I think the truth is I am OCD when it's convenient for me. So I will put out the effort, and I will try with this, and I will try with that for a limited amount of time for each thing, and I'm all, nope, done. And because that is in a hard to reach area, I can see I've already walked right past it and went to another area. This one is, I guess it's the angle I'm coming at. I can reach it a little bit better. I can get all but that one tiny spot. Got some cleaning paste on the tray. It's fun, I'll polish it up. Okay, so. This on the inside where I did not clean. That's kind of, you know, a reminder of the scorch marks, but this also has rust in it. So I'll work on that another day. And so this was black. It is now silver. If you can catch it from different angles, you can see it's actually just silver. So on top of the damage was black, and so I guess I got that off, and the damage down below. A little leftover trace, I missed a spot, you see, of what was there. And all that gone. Yeah, so obviously I've got to get the other ones as well. Here's where I left off, and let me tell you, this wasn't easy. It did take some elbow grease. And this, I can't get the rust off. I mean, it's just rusted bad. So I don't, you know, it's not going to take rust off, I guess. Darn, had high hopes, but it is pretty. Took a little bit of elbow grease, but it is pretty. It got the job done. And voila. Hold on, I'll put the plates back on. Okay, I'm done. Go home. Gee, stop watching me.